Good morning. Welcome to the channel.
I'm trying to get a camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Misty. My two girls are Vivi and Savannah. And today we decided who's going to be the teacher. Yes, Vivi's going to be our teacher today. So I'm trying to include both of us in here. So yeah, we're just gonna have a day where we just need to change it up, guys.
A monkey.
Oh yeah.
I also have a phone.
Okay. We just need to change it up a little bit. I feel like things are just getting a little monotonous. I'm getting a little too serious, and so yeah, things have just been kind of stiff lately with schooling, and I think I'm taking it a little too serious. So today we're gonna. Okay, sit down. So today we're just gonna change it up, and Vivi's going to be our teacher. So child-led learning all day, and she's going to lead it. So that's how we're doing it. Are you ready to do school? Oh, are you doing a TikTok dance? Alright, so before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more homeschooling content just like this. And the like button lets me know that this is the type of content you enjoy. And we're going to start. Are you ready?
I'm ready to be the teacher.
Okay, alright.
Ready to be my student.
Well, come here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, teacher, what's your name today? What are we going to call you?
I don't know.
What do you want to be called?
I don't know.
You're going to be called Miss Turner, Miss Vivi, teacher.
Miss Nairobi.
Miss Nairobi? Okay. Miss Nairobi.
I mean, I want to be called Miss Vivi.
Miss Vivi. Okay, so we'll call you Miss Vivi. And what do you want to do first?
We're gonna do our colors first.
Colors? Okay.
It's back there, and and it's somewhere up or down.
Oh, are we gonna do? So you wanting to start with circle time?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna start with circle time.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. So you got the bear ready for circle time, right?
I think it needs to be a little bit bigger.
All right, you ready to start? Okay, teach us. What are we starting with, teacher?
Okay, so sit on your pillow.
Yes. Come on, Savannah Banana.
Teacher.
Come on, Savannah Banana. Sit down.
Perfect. We're not there yet.
Come on. Sit with Mama. Yeah. Okay.
Hello. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be starting with these.
With colors?
Okay.
What will we learn about colors today, Miss Nairobi?
Miss Vivi.
Oh, Miss Vivi, you changed it. Okay.
Can you find me red things everywhere and on the carpet?
Can you find red? Let's see. Where's some red, Savannah?
Red.
Good job. Can you find me something? Oh, find Miss Vivi. Find Miss Vivi something red on the carpet. What's red? This is red.
Also, there's some on that carpet if you go look.
Oh, can you find red on the other carpet? Let's find the red over here. Look.
We're over there.
Where's the red? Can you find the red?
In
Where's the red?
Everywhere.
That's red. Good job. High five.
I love the day stick. Or high five.
I want high five.
Everyone else.
Oh, high five. Oh, good. What else are you teaching us? Orange?
Orange. Can you find some orange up and down and there and there?
Everywhere?
There.
Savannah, can you find orange on the carpet?
This orange here too.
Look, I think I found orange.
That is
Good
orange.
job. You did find orange over there. Good job.
It's this mountain.
What? Okay.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
What day is it today, kids?
Today is Wednesday.
Where is Wednesday? Show me Wednesday.
The middle one in the green. It starts with a W.
Now we are going to be moving on to this. Savannah.
Oh, okay.
Sit down.
All right, let's do it.
One for you. One for you. One for me. One for you. One for you. And one for me. Tell me, where is the red one?
I have the red one.
Put it on there.
Does it go here?
No.
Oh, it must go there.
Does anybody have any orange?
Good job, Savabab.
Little cricket there.
Mm-hmm.
And who has the yellow?
I don't have yellow.
Do you?
No.
I have the yellow.
Hold on, we're looking for yellow.
I have it. Got this. Can you read it? I got it.
I'll read it for you. Round is a pancake.
Who has the pancake?
Not me. Do you have a pancake?
Nope.
Nope. There it is.
At least I got the pancake.
Yeah.
No, it's not pancake. Can anybody read that?
Round is a plum.
Does anybody have the plum? Because I don't have the
By the way,
plum.
you could read all of this by yourself. It would just
Here
take
you
something.
go.
Oh, she had it. She gave it to you.
Aw, thank you.
Okay, what are we doing next, teacher?
We're going to be doing that.
Is this a book on numbers?
I think it's going to where it's supposed to go with 1 and 1.
Okay, but it's a numbers book, so we're working on math, right?
He's just tiny.
Okay. Let's do some math. Do we need pencils?
Oh. Savannah.
Whoa.
We're only going to be having 2 today. I need scissors.
No scissors.
Stop talking.
Okay, so you put your fingers in there. Okay.
Well, you guys do that. I'm gonna go pick a story that I can read.
Okay.
After this is time for story time.
Oh, story time after? Okay.
Actually, I think I'm gonna have you on your you're going to be reading.
Okay, so we're reading about a solar system.
Uh-huh.
Are you reading it to me or am I reading it to you?
You're reading it to me.
Okay.
You're gonna read to us, and then while I practice with your sister.
That's a good idea. That way you can keep your hands busy while we read.
Let me see that. Good. You're
Did it
doing
good? What about me?
Good. Vivi, you did good.
Thank you.
Now it is time for you to just it's time for you to just sit on the couch for a little bit until Savannah's done, okay?
Okay. So today's Read Aloud is about the solar system, and Miss Vivi says that you guys are going to do some string projects while I read to you.
Come on, Savannah.
Okay? Get on this side with Sissy so you can do it. You can sit on my lap if you want, but
Here.
there you go. Oh, okay.
Savannah, which one?
The Milky Way. There are many galaxies in the known universe. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. From Earth, we can only see an arm of the Milky Way as it stretches across the sky.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. My body never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. My body never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. My body never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.
We're back over here at circle time because Miss Vivi realized she forgot to do the weather bear, so
Savannah.
this is something we usually do anyways.
It's time to do bear.
Come on, Savannah. We have a crabby toddler today. You're okay. Okay, go ahead and do the bear.
What do you think that he should wear?
Okay, well, what do you think the weather was like today, or is like today? It's pretty warm already, right? Yeah, so maybe he doesn't need a coat or anything. I think that he just needs shorts and a t-shirt.
What was that?
Daddy turned the water on upstairs.
Are you sure what upstairs?
We're in the basement, so we can hear when every bit of water gets turned on. Well, she's doing the shorts. How about you do the shirt? Do you want me to help you? Okay, so let's draw his arms. There you go. You do the rest. Color him in, girl.
I want watermelon shirt.
Watermelon shirt.
Here, I'll help you. Since it's dark. Wait, no, red.
Here's the watermelon, Savannah.
True.
He likes shoes. Okay. After you're done with the weather bear, what are we doing, Miss Vivi? Okay. So now that we're done with the weather bear, she was looking around. She decided she wants to do a game. What game are we doing?
I want this.
Okay. Put it on the. Yep. Put it on the table.
I want pick a board. I want this board.
Okay. I'll take that board.
Savannah, you're probably gonna want the one with the red.
Okay. So that one's mine, right? Is this it? I don't know what I put. Okay. Hold on, Savannah. Hold on.
Do you want to know which one?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yeah. You take these and put them face down. So, Vivi, you'll go first, and it's kind of like a match game. You have to figure out if you can find the matching thing that goes to your job.
This is Mama.
What is that? What is it? It says a racing helmet. Do you have a racer? Anybody who would go racing? Savannah, pick one.
Mine this.
Good job. That is the clown. Good job. Okay. Ooh, a space shuttle. Do I have someone who would do a space shuttle? I do, an astronaut. Vivi's turn.
I don't.
Camera. Does anybody on your board use a camera?
No.
Okay. Savannah, your turn. Pick a card. No, pick a card. Okay, that's a letter. Does anybody on your board have letters for their job? A mail carrier. A mail carrier. Good job. That would have been hard for her to figure out. A cat in a basket. Do I have anybody who is using a cat in a basket? Nope, not for me. Oh, a vet. Yeah. Savannah, your turn. Binoculars. Does anybody you have need binoculars? Nope, nobody needs binoculars. Put it back. You don't need them. Put it back. Hello guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a little hard to get footage when I'm trying to be the student because I'm mostly just like putting the camera on the camera stand, but hopefully we still got enough footage for this video. So yeah, we did school for about 2 hours. Vivi led everything and I gave you little snippets of it. I'm gonna put together a video, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, hit the like button for Vivi. You did a wonderful job teaching. You wanna show everybody your ball? It is now lunchtime. We need to go get lunch ready, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more homeschooling content just like this, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun homeschooling. Bye.